Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making these adorable little candy wrapper boxes, I guess you would call them. It's kind of like a pillow box, but not really. So this is actually a very old tutorial. I've kind of revamped it a little bit to make it a little larger and so you can fit more in. So the only thing that you're going to need is a 6x6 paper, and this is going to measure, let's see here, I believe it's about 6 inches long, 3 wide, which gives plenty of room for goodies inside. Let me grab a 6x6 paper to use today. And you can make this any size you want, it'll work. And what I mean by old, not as in myself, it's just an old vintagey tutorial they used to use. So I'm just trying to revamp it and bring it back. Okay, so the only thing you need is a scoring board, 6x6 paper, and some adhesive, preferably tape because it makes it so much easier. I don't really know what we like to do glue, but I'm using red line tape today. So you just flip it on the side that you're not going to be seeing, and just tape 3 edges. You can do 4, but you don't need it because it's going to stick on all sides just from the 3. So that's one side. And it doesn't matter what side. It's 6x6, so it's all going to measure the same basically. The longer side, the shorter side. So that's 2 sides and 3. I'm on a roll here today because I uploaded a video last night and I'm uploading this one today. I'm trying to be more proactive here, you guys. Okay, so there's 3. I'm just going to take off these strips. This tutorial is very easy. I don't do many hard tutorials. And I know they have dies for this kind of stuff, so it's nice to just do it yourself and not have to bust out the die machine, even though it's easier with a die machine. I don't have any of those Silhouette or Cricuts yet. I've been doing everything by hand with the Big Shot. Okay, so 3 of these. Now what you're going to do is roll it like a paper towel. So you're going to just literally roll it like a tube. The best way to do it is maybe start with the top edge and then work your way down. So you can make sure they're lined up. Just like that. So, and I usually cut this off and trim it, or I put it on the side, but I just missed that. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but this is the side with the tape all the way around, and because we only use 3, the other strip will be showing down there, which is fine. So all I'm gonna do is take this and press down. And I'm going to do that on the other side. Now, I just want to show you a fun tip. If you wanted to do the sour cream containers, which is another old one, you pinch this way and it turns into a really cute sour cream, or one of those little ice cream Frosties. Maybe I'm the only one that ate them, but I don't know if you remember when you were a kid. Okay, so, but for now, I'm just going to press it down this way. And there's the pouch. And obviously stick whatever you want inside. So I'm going to show you what I did to make it look crimped, because I don't have a paper crimper. So that's what they would use with these. So, oh, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so I'm just taking my scoreboard and scoring down. Down. And because the tape, you got to really get a good grip. Down. About 3 times, and you already see it's already scoring like a candy wrapper. Now to make a little extra, I turn it this way and I go the opposite direction, just so it looks like a real wrapper. Just go all the way across. Every single indent I do. So it really looks like a wrapper. Oh, see, I kind of didn't fold that good enough because I'm on the camera, I can't really see, but if you do that, it's very easy just to snip it off. You won't even be able to tell. I never do anything perfect on camera, I've noticed. Everything is just a disaster. Okay, so I'm just going to trim this end. Oh gosh, you guys, my nails look really bad. Sorry. Okay. And then just do the other side. And that's it. And I just added some die cuts, which you can do. Just add some 3D to make it look fun. I thought this would be fun for Easter or whatever you have going on, even weddings, anything really. And you can take twine, wrap it around just to make it a little bit more fancier. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this was easy for you to do too. Thanks.